Shrimp are fascinating aquatic animals, loved worldwide as delicious seafood. Found in both fresh and saltwater, these creatures have a unique anatomy that sets them apart. Did you know that shrimp have 10 legs? Instead of a backbone, they possess an exoskeleton that serves as both protection and structural support for their bodies. Now, here's something intriguing. A shrimp's heart is located on its head. While technically, the heart sits on the thorax, just behind the head, both regions are covered by a single exoskeleton. This can make it tricky to distinguish where the head ends and the thorax begins. In general, we perceive a shrimp as divided into just two parts, the head and the tail. So, in a way, we can still say that a shrimp's heart is indeed on its head. Next time you enjoy shrimp, remember this hidden fact about their anatomy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing insights into the world around us.